Hello friends, in this video I'm going to continue with my works on partial fractions. So in this case I'm going to solve this particular problem without using the cover up rules. So I'm going to use the comparing of coefficients to solve this so that you can see that there could be another way of solving these non-repeating linear factors. Okay, I can let this be equal to a all over 3x minus 1 plus b all over 2x plus 3. Okay, now trying to simplify this further will give us the product will be the LCM. So you shall have 3x minus 1 into 2x plus 3. This divide this to cancel itself, giving us 2x plus 3. 2x plus 3 multiply a, we shall have a into 2x plus 3 plus this divide this, we shall have 3x minus 1, which we multiply b, will have b into 3x minus 1. Remember, these whole things will be equal to the original 7x minus 1 all over 3x, take away 1 into 2x plus 3. You can see that the denominators are the same thing, so you don't need it. So you can equate the numerators. So we shall have 7x take away 1 is equivalent to a into 2x plus 3 plus b into 3x minus 1. So you open the bracket, you have a times 2x, you give us 2xa plus a times 3 is 3a plus b times 3x is 3xb, b times minus 1 is minus b. Okay, you compare coefficients or you collect like terms first. So 7x take away 1 is equivalent to this has x, this has x, so you bring them together. You have 2xa plus 3xb plus 3a then minus b. These and this has no x in them, so they are seen as the constant. Now x is common here, so 7x take away 1 is x, or rather 2a plus 3b then bracket x, because x will times this to give you this, x will times this to give you this, plus 3a take away b. Now comparing terms here, this is the coefficient of x, 2a plus 3b, and the coefficient of x here is 7. So you can compare and write 2a plus 3b is equal to 7. Now 3a minus b is the constant, so you can see that 3a minus b is the constant, which is equivalent to minus 1. This is minus 1. We've now formed simultaneous equations, and to solve these, I think you can use either substitution method or elimination method as you wish. So if I'm to use elimination method or substitution method in equation 2, let me use b as the subject in equation 2. So I can write from equation 2 we will have 3a minus b is equal to minus 1. If I make b subject, you have that 3a minus 1 coming in here becomes plus 1 equals b. So our b is equal to 3a plus 1. Let's call this equation 3. So I form the value of b as equation 3. Then I will substitute b in equation 1 so that the value of a can come out. So you now say substitute b equals 3a plus 1 in equation 1. Look at equation 1 here. I have 2a plus 3. Seeing b, I'll put 3a plus 1 equals 7. So I shall have 2a plus 3a times 3a is 9a. 3 times 1 is 3 equals 7. So that 2a plus 9a is 11a. Plus 3 coming here becomes minus 3 equals 7 minus 3. So 11a will give us 4. To get the value of a, divide both sides by 11. When you do that, a is equal to 4 over 11. So to get the value of b, anywhere we see a in equation 3, you put 4 over 11. So b will now be 3 bracket 4 over 11, then plus 1. I just use 4 over 11 to replace a here. So this is the same thing as b. Being equal to 3 times 4 is 12 all over 11, then plus 1. The fastest way to do this, when you're adding one whole number to a fraction, just say 1 times 11 is 11. 11 plus 12 is 23. Sorry, 1 times 11 is 11, then 11 plus 12 is 23 all over 11. That is what is giving you. So our b is 23 over 11 and our a is 4 over 11. So what we have to do now is to use the values of a and b to substitute back in this original expression to get the required partial fraction. So coming here that I'm seeing a is 4 over 11. I'll write 4 over 11 divided by 3x minus 1 plus seeing b is 23 over 11, then all over 2x plus 3. One thing about fractions is that anything you do to the numerator and do it to the denominator, the fraction remains valid. So to ensure that this particular fraction does not have a smaller fraction as the numerator, I can multiply everything by 11 so that the 11 will cancel out. So I'm multiplying everything by 11. This 11 will cancel this 11, this 11 will cancel this 11. So we have just a 4 over, I can make this to come first, so 11 into 3x minus 1 plus, what is left here is 23 over 11 into 2x plus 3. And this is just the final answer. If you wish, you can open your bracket or you factor out this particular 11. So this is the partial fraction of this particular fraction. They are equivalent to each other, just that we've split this into the two original fractions that make it up. The essence of this partial fraction is that it is very, very helpful in integration. Okay, thank you so much and may God bless you for viewing.